Hello, today I'll show you top 15 things to do in Ulm, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Altes Rathaus. Number 2, Central Library. Number 3, Wiblingen Abbey. Number 4, Fishermen's and Tanners Quarter. Number 5, Ulm Town Walls. Number 6, Ulm Minster. Number 7, Ulmer Museum. Number 8, Schiefes Haus. Number 9, Tiergarten Ulm. Number 10, Museum der Brotkultur. Number 11, Stadthaus. Number 12, Metzgerturm. Number 13, Botanischer Garten der Universität Ulm. Number 14, Kunsthalle Weishaupt. And the last one, number 15, Schwormontag.